display are the top metrics when deciding whether or not you should shoot a firework.
We doing the pyro thing, baby. It's how we roll. Pyro
And that's what your shoot list reflects.
Look at all these fireworks. Boom, 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 boom.
This is the American Patriot here.
What's up, baby? How you doing?
With $20 worth of novelties.
Well, you know, we got to have firework of the night, and if we can't mix it up, I mean, you'd be surprised how these things go off inside a store.
You want me to help you out one of these? Yeah, go ahead.
You know, when I first started, we'll go back to them kind of thoughts here.
All right, man, you have a good night. I'm going to walk around.
Yeah.